Que tenemos, papa. What are we doing today?
I'm doing.
Hey, pause that, Richard.
Oh, engine mount with the APR dog bones.
So we're gonna get started on this. It's gonna be a time lapse, mostly because we've already done the engine mounts on Richard's car.
Yeah, brother.
Which is that one right there. Well, right here. This one right here. Oh, right here. Right here. So anyways, we're gonna get started with that, with the pendulum mount first, or the dog bone insert first. Alright, so despite my disbelief, when I opened Alejandro, well actually when he handed me his dog bone insert, it's got some serious weight to it. And this is the 034 one, which you see is toasted, bent. This is the second one. I cracked the first one, which was a bad batch, and then I sent this one to the moon and back apparently. But anyways, alright, so we just installed the APR dog bone insert, pendulum insert, billet mount, this thingy majigger here. Anyways, it ended up being 3 times heavier than the 034 motorsport one, and it's much more solid, and the bolt that goes in through it, it's much tighter. There's like a very fine amount of play here, and on the 034 one there's still wiggle room with the bolt. So hats off to APR on this. I can't knock this one.
So it's like 3 bolts?
It's
That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is another
This
one.
side is a shit ton over here.
This is another one. That's 3, 4,
5.
and then 5 over there.
And this side is a lot. Battery.
This size, we gotta
tray,
take that intake, battery, ECU tray. What about the shifter? We have to take that off now. As you know, we start for the part that we think the easier, so.
Don't let that amount of movement fool you. Richard's got the king dick beaters, bro.
Holy shit, that's a big difference, yo.
I see you retightening them.
Huh? No, I was going in.
So I see elevate almost
what
like
the
snap
hell?
exercises.
Like a
It's
star.
like taking your brain to the gym.
But
I'm seeing
like
myself
half,
improve in different
exactly
ways that
how
I
I
didn't
took
know
them
I
out.
could.
I write a lot in my job every single day. I'm trying to make a good impression with every.
Hold on, mate. Couldn't hear you over this commercial.
Way better than anything I've done on my shit. You know, you guys should take that as a compliment when I said, hey, my
I know
shit.
that.
My shit.
I've been to that.
But Mario would be thinking I'm talking that shit for real. I'm not really fucking your guys' car. I'm just making you think I am. You know, it's like comforting to think.
It's called torture, man.
Yeah, it's called fucking with your brain, dude. What you gonna do about it, man? Alright, dude. Alright, let's put this as final send on these.
Oh yeah.
Now what you want to do is put this here on 3 so you can send it right to the moon. Take the threads right on out of it. Easy access for next time. I tell you what.
Alright guys, first we took the intake off, then the battery. Now we're taking this straight out. With this straight out, how many bolts are there? 3?
3 bolts and 1 nut.
Get like 1, 2, 3,
And then 4.
and then 4 right here. Flip it the other way around. There you go. Fuck
Dude, you're gonna be like, what the fuck?
This shit is just fucking shake.
Right. Don't. I'll be here. That's a wrap on the install.
Yeah, brother.
And then we're gonna test drive it now and see Alejandro's impression. Huh? Hey. ¿Qué pasó, Papa? Are you actually putting away tools? What is the meaning of that? Wash your face too. You look like a fucking idiot. Yeah, because he fucking lifted so hard when he shifted. You came way off the gas pedal, right, when you shifted?